This Saturday we have a demo lecture for the CAT exam. So in case you want to attend my workshop, you can attend that this Saturday. Please call the number here. Or Monday we are launching a new program. So in case you want to join the complete program or you want to go for only books mock shortcut, just call the numbers here. So Professor Mr. Ram Mohan, Associate Professor at IIM Ahmedabad, have been appointed as the conveyor of the Common Entry Exam for CAT 21. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दिस डेट यार. मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम आता ना मोटिवेट करने में बच्चों को. एंड थैंक यू आई एम फॉर डिस्क्लोजिंग दिस थिंग एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. थैंक यू वेरी मच. क्योंकि पब्लिक को ना मोटिवेशन, जब तक वो डेट नहीं आती ना, जब तक वो नंबर नहीं दिखता, दिस CAT 21 वर्ड, पीपल डोंट गेट द मोटिवेशन टू स्टडी. नाउ विद दिस थिंग आउट, आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी हैव पुल्ड अप द सॉक्स टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द CAT एग्जाम. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज द टाइम गाइस, टेक दिस स्मॉल activities, small news as a motivation to study more. ठीक है. नहीं तो ये तुम्हारा टाइम ऐसे निकलने वाला है. स्पेशली दिस 2 months, स्पेशली मई जून का टाइम. जुलाई ऑनवर्ड्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली स्टडी. वंस द रेन स्टार्ट ना, आई नॉर्मली लिंक विद द सीजन. वंस द रेन स्टार्ट यू विल गेट द ऑटोमेटिक motivation to study. Fine. But May, June, the time when you have to complete the basics. So next 2 months is very, very crucial. Tomorrow I'll talk about that, how the CAT exam will be affected because of IIM Ahmedabad. But as of now, we have this news. IIM Ahmedabad is going to conduct the exam. So Ram Mohan have obtained his doctorate from IIT Kharagpur after an MPhil from National University of Judicial Sciences at Kolkata and LLM from the University of Wales. Yeah, he been writing on the topics like right from the shale gas extraction and public support for the scientific research and dual disaster, dealing with the dual disaster of the COVID-19 and monsoon in Kerala have been published last week. Published in Hindu and the Week. Okay, so this is the background of the sir who is going to conduct the CAT exam this year. Conveyor mean he will be responsible, he will be the spokesperson from IIM Ahmedabad who is going to conduct the exam. Fine. Doesn't mean he's going to set the paper. Setting team alag hota hai, but he is the one who is going to convey exam date. All the news which are going to come going forward are now going to come from IIM Ahmedabad. This is the time, guys, we have to pull up the socks. So tomorrow I'm conducting this workshop. Tomorrow mean today 12 bajne ko aa gaya abhi. So today I'm going to conduct this workshop at 6 p.m. today. So in case you are interested, please join that program. All the best. There is no news on the date yet, which is understandable, but CAT most probably will be on November end, depending on the COVID cases. So in case you want to join our program, just call the numbers given here. You can join us for the complete program or just attend the free workshop, which is going to happen tomorrow. I might go live tomorrow as well, around noon, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I don't know the exact time, and we'll pick up all the queries you have. All the best.